Today we will apply simplifying expressions to solving simple algebraic equations using addition and subtraction. An equation is a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal, and then the solution of an equation is the value that the variable would have to be to make the equation true. In order to find a solution, you need to isolate the variable. The variable should be alone on one side of the equal sign, and on the other side of the equation should be the number that you're looking for. Alright, so let's look at some examples. What if we had y minus 8 equals 22? So what we need to do is get y by itself. In order to do that, we need to get rid of this negative 8 on this side of the equation. To get rid of something on one side of the equation, you have to perform the opposite operation. And what you do to one side of the equation, you also have to do to the other side to keep the equation balanced. So y minus 8, since it's being subtracted, we're going to add it. These two are going to cancel out. And then 22 plus 8 is 30. If we wanted to check our work, we could just plug this 30 in for y, and 30 minus 8 equals 22. 30 minus 8 is 22. So this is the correct solution. If we plugged in 30, we would get 22 equals 22, and that is a true statement. Let's look at another one. X minus 3.1 equals 5.2. So again, this is being subtracted from x, so in order to move it, I need to add it. Whatever I do to one side of the equation, I also have to do to the other side. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8.3. And again, to check my work, if I had 8.3 and subtracted 3.1, would I get 5.2? Well, 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. So I do indeed get 5.2. Alright, let's look at another one here. Alright, if I have 5 equals x plus 5, remember I need to get the variable by itself, so I need to get rid of this plus 5. So in order to get rid of it, I need to perform the opposite operation. So that cancels out. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side to keep it balanced. 5 minus 5 is 0. X equals 0. And 0 plus 5 is 5. So we know we did that correct. One last example here. Alright, we need x by itself. 1/2 is being added to x, so we need to subtract it to keep it equal. So now we have x equals 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. And if you think about it, if we have 1/2 and we add another half to it, we have the 1. And if you would like more practice with this, if you go to IXL, Algebra 1, Section J4, you can get more practice using solving equations by adding and subtracting. See you in Zoom.